So I'm going to show you guys here the For Love collection. Okay, so there's, by the way, there's metallics and then there's solids of pretty much every design, I believe. Don't quote me on that, but the vast majority. So right here, again, this is the For Love collection. I have them highlighted right now. I've got this sort of like blushy pink. By the way, I'm a size 7 ring. I ordered all size 7 rings, and it's perfect. Literally perfect. So again, this is kind of like the blushy pink. We have kind of like a lilac-y gray, purpley. And then this beautiful like dusty blue, which I love. And you can stack these, by the way. I'm not going to like push them all the way down, but these are stackable. I'll show you some stacks that I was doing before. I was just like having fun playing around with it. But yeah, so these are, like I said, the For Love collection. You guys can see in that actual product photo, I think there's like the gold metallic pictured there, but really, really beautiful, perfect little wedding band alternative here in this particular style.